Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if just iMessage not working on your iPhone, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find your SMS messages, just tap on messages and here you will see iMessage. So just try to turn it off, wait a few seconds and just turn it on. If it doesn't help you, just check your send and receive. Here you will see your addresses, so just check your addresses. And also you can try to restore your phone, so just go back to the settings. In the settings you need to find here general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you, you can also just try to update your phone. So just go to the general. In the general just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.